Welcome back, guys. Here we are. This is your test, requested by you, for you, and washed by me. The 30-way subscriber-requested coatings and sealants longevity test. Hopefully, if you've been following along with all the other tests this month, you've heard me talk about how crazy hot it's been. Every single day over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, if not hotter, which is 38 degrees Celsius. Very little rain. These panels have gotten extremely hot, in excess of 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 83 Celsius. So now we're going to go ahead and do our usual foaming the hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse everything off to inspect the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything. If you've got a minute, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and again, let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used any of these products or if you're rooting for any. As always, if there is something you want to see tested in the future, let me know in the comments. Jumping right into it. First row, Simonized diamond plate. Looking like a strong contender. Tech 585 graphene. It's got some wear on it. Definitely not performing as well as Tech 580 has. Kamikaze ISM Coat 2.0. Looking very strong as well. Black Rhino Advanced. I think we're going to call that one weak. It's not to the point where we would call it failed yet, but it is getting very close. Moving on down, Malco Epic Ceramic. Looks like it's doing good. Naziol ZR53. Quite a bit more hydrophobic than Malco. But again, Malco's still doing all right. Over to our cheap Chinese Nanobond coating. Looks very strong as well. TAC Systems Moonlight. Not looking great. We'll leave it as weak for right now because it does release the surface tension of the water there. But it doesn't have too much to go. I believe it's rated for 9 months. I don't think it's going to make it. Envy Evo Nova and Envy Pro, both of those were installed by a professional installer, not yours truly. Both of those doing quite well. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro. It's got some wear on it, but it's still doing all right. Over to Blackfire Pro Black. Also a little bit of wear, but still looking really good. And Glossit Graphene DIY. Looks like that's going to be our first failure this month. Made it to the 3-month mark. Yep, I think we're going to call that one failed. Geon Pure Evo. 1 Evo and MOHS Evo. Pure looks good. 1 looks like not quite as strong. And MOHS looks good. Definitely some differences there. FaneLab Ceramic Light. Looking very hydrophobic. Adams Advanced Graphene. This is the coating, not the spray. Looks good. Flitz Ceramic Spray. Looking pretty weak. Not to where we'd call it failed, but it's pretty close. I think we're going to have a pretty interesting next month here. Art to Shine AI-Con. Looks like it is weak as well. Art to Shine Hybrid Coat. Looks very strong. Nano Graphene. Also looks very strong. Graphene BX, a little bit weaker, but the other two looking very strong. Graphene BX still doing all right though. Graphene Detailer failed at 2 months, and Black Rhino Graphics getting really close too, but I don't think we'd call that one failed just yet. Looks like about half of it has for some reason there. So there is our update, guys. Glossit Graphene DIY 3 months. Everything else, we're gonna have some failures here pretty soon. If you started seeing that on your vehicle, it'd be time to reapply it. TAC, both of the Black Rhino products, and maybe Art to Shine, AI-Con, however you say it, and Flitz. Those are getting on the weak side, and Geon 1 Evo. So there's going to probably be some changes next month. So there you go, guys. There's your update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.